Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about 10 common decision-making mistakes that could seriously affect your life. From relationships to careers to personal happiness, the decisions we make have a huge impact. But sometimes, we make the wrong choices without even realizing it. In this video, we'll go over these mistakes and how you can avoid them to live a more successful and fulfilling life. Let's jump right in. 1. Relying on emotion over logic. Emotions can cloud your judgment. While it's okay to feel, making decisions purely based on emotions often leads to regret. Instead, balance your feelings with logic to make decisions that will benefit you in the long run. 2. Avoiding difficult decisions. It's easy to avoid tough decisions, but procrastination only makes problems worse. Addressing tough choices head-on helps you grow and move forward. Don't wait for the perfect time, take action now. 3. Fear of failure. Fear of making the wrong choice can hold you back from making any choice at all. But failure is part of the journey. Every mistake teaches you something valuable, so don't let fear stop you from taking action. 4. Overthinking everything. Overthinking can paralyze you. If you keep analyzing every possible outcome, you'll never make a decision. Sometimes, you just need to trust your instincts and move forward. Action is more important than perfection. 5. Not considering long-term consequences. Short-term rewards can be tempting, but failing to consider long-term consequences can lead to regret. Always ask yourself how your decision will impact you in the future, not just right now. 6. Listening to the wrong people. Not everyone's advice is worth taking. Seek guidance from people who understand your values and goals, not from those who don't know your situation or who are influenced by their own biases. 7. Not trusting your own judgment. Second-guessing yourself can lead to confusion and indecision. You know yourself best. Trust your instincts, and don't let others' opinions push you off course. 8. Settling for mediocrity. It's easy to settle for good enough, but doing so can keep you stuck in a life that doesn't truly inspire you. Aim higher in your career, relationships, and personal growth. Take risks and push yourself to achieve more. 9. Ignoring red flags. Red flags are there for a reason. Whether it's in relationships or business, ignoring them can lead to serious consequences. Trust your gut, pay attention to warning signs, and take action before it's too late. 10. Making decisions based on what others think. Making decisions based on others' expectations can lead to unfulfilling choices. Live for yourself, not for others' approval. Make choices that align with your true values and goals. So, those are 10 decision-making mistakes to avoid. Every choice we make shapes our future, so it's crucial to make them thoughtfully. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be better equipped to create a successful, fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep making smart decisions, and take care.